I believe you enjoyed the lesson. Like the channel, share the channel, keep watching. More are still coming. Enjoy yourself. Hello, friends. I'm happy to meet you once again. In our chemistry class today, we are going to take up isotopy. What is isotopy? Isotopy is the existence of two or more atoms of the same element with different masses. Remember, I told you something about atomic number and mass number. So when we are talking about atomic number will be the same, but mass number will be different. For example, you have the hydrogen, three different atoms of hydrogen with the same atomic number but different mass numbers. If you check atomic number atomic number one, mass number one, two, and three. That's for one element. The existence of the atoms of the same element with the same atomic number but different mass number. That can also be seen in oxygen. Oxygen atomic number 8, but mass number 16, 17, and 18. We move down to chlorine, the same thing. Atomic number 17, but mass 35 and 37. This is isotopy. Now, the elements itself are called isotopes. So these are the isotopes of chlorine. Okay, now we move down to relative atomic mass, because if we are to use the atomic mass to do calculation, which of these masses are we using? For chlorine, are we using this? Are we using this? So because of that, we have to find the average by comparing them together. So the average of 8 results in relative atomic mass, which says that this is the number of times the average mass of one atom of the same of the element is heavier than 1/12 the mass of one atom of the carbon 12. Question: why is relative atomic mass of most elements not a whole number? Relative atomic mass of most elements not a whole number is because it is the average value that we calculated, not the real mass of one isotope. Is the average of the two or three masses. That's the reason. Okay, we move to calculation. Question: if the isotope of chlorine 35 is 75% and 37 is 25% abundance respectively, calculate the relative atomic mass of chlorine. Okay, now let's see how to calculate. The two isotopes are chlorine 35 solution, 35 Cl35 and Cl37. If you look at the question, that of 35 is 75. So under this, I will say 75% means over 100 times the 35, which is that mass there, 35, plus that of this one, which is 25 over 100 times 37. So now when you work the mathematics, you now say that dividing this by this, you have 0.75 times 35 plus 0.25 times 37. So if you consider that you have 26.25, 26.25, I'm not with calculator now. If you use your calculator, you see it 9.25. Then add the two, you have 35.5. So this is the average mass of these two isotopes. Since you cannot use this alone, you can not also use this alone. So this is the average mass of the two isotopes.